this is Kim with MotoJug Hydration System, here to show you how to install your MotoJug. First, you'll want to put your insulated jug inside your MotoJug bag. You want to open up your Velcro straps and come to your foot peg. Wrap it around your foot peg. Your MotoJug comes with two 3-foot long each straps. You'll take your straps, run it around your bike frame, anywhere on your bike, connect it, and tighten it. Then you'll get your tubing, connect that, wrap it around your bike, connect your retractable lanyard to your tank bag. It can also go to your jacket. Once you're done with your ride and you need to refill, then you'll take your tubing, disconnect that, open it up, take your jug out, go fill it up in the gas station with ice and water, come back, put it back together, connect your tubing again, then you're ready to ride safe and stay hydrated.